Welcome to the channel, where we explore the art of self-mastery, attraction, and how to live a life of purpose and confidence. If you are looking to level up in your relationships and enhance your ability to connect with women on a deeper level, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to uncover 6 powerful phrases that will instantly transform your interactions with women. These aren't just pickup lines. They're tools that will help you stand out, break through the friend zone, and create a magnetic connection with anyone you meet. And the last phrase I'll share is a game changer, so stay tuned. Phrase 1, you have a unique way about you. I like that. Let's start with something subtle yet incredibly effective. This phrase works like a charm because it's not just a compliment, it's a mystery. When you tell a woman, you have a unique way about you, I like that, her mind instantly races. What does he mean? What's special about me? This kind of curiosity will draw her in. Unlike the usual compliments about her looks or style, which every other man says, you are noticing something deeper. Maybe it's how she lights up when talking about her passions, or the confidence she exudes in conversation. When you point this out, you show her that you are truly paying attention to who she is beyond her appearance. Pro tip: say this with a slight smile and steady eye contact. The energy behind the words matters just as much as the words themselves. Phrase 2, I like women who know what they want. This phrase is a game changer because it's not just a compliment, it's a challenge. Most men spend their time trying to impress, seeking approval, or showering women with generic compliments. But when you say, I like women who know what they want, you are doing something different. You are setting a standard. You are showing that you value confidence, clarity, and independence. Suddenly, the dynamic shifts. She may ask, what do you look for in a woman? And instead of a vague answer, you say, I like women who know what they want. This statement shows that you are not chasing her. She's now the one trying to prove she fits your standard. Women are drawn to men who have standards. It shows self-respect and maturity, qualities that are deeply attractive. Phrase 3, that's what I like most about you. This phrase takes compliments to a whole new level. Instead of the generic, you are beautiful, you are pinpointing something specific and authentic. For example, the way you talk about your passions is so inspiring. Or you have an energy about you that's hard to ignore. Why does this work? Because it shows her that you are not just noticing her surface-level traits, but the unique qualities that make her her. Timing is everything here. Use this phrase when you genuinely observe something special about her. Whether it's how she expresses herself or the way she lights up when she talks about something important. Phrase 4, I don't think you are ready for me yet. Now we get to the playful part. This phrase works because it taps into 2 powerful psychological triggers, the fear of loss and the allure of scarcity. When you say, I don't think you are ready for me yet, you are sparking curiosity. She'll wonder, why wouldn't I be ready for him? Keep it light and playful. The goal here is not to push her away, but to create a fun challenge. Maybe she teases you or boasts about something, and you respond with, interesting, but I don't think you are ready for me yet. It flips the dynamic. Now she's intrigued and wants to prove herself worthy. Phrase 5, I don't know if you can handle me. This phrase is all about playful confidence. It's a light-hearted challenge that keeps the conversation dynamic and exciting. When you say, I don't know if you can handle me, you are creating a sense of mystery and excitement. Say it with a smirk and playful tone. If she teases you or brags about something, you can respond with, "I don't know if you can handle me." This keeps her guessing and intrigued, without coming across as arrogant. It's a subtle way to show that you are confident in yourself, and that's the kind of energy women find magnetic. Phrase 6. I'm not that easy. This is the ultimate power move. While most men try to show that they're always available, always ready to please, when you say, "I'm not that easy," you are establishing boundaries and demonstrating that you value yourself. Use it in a playful yet confident tone. For example, if she teases you or tests you, say, "I'm not that easy." It's a subtle way of showing that you are a challenge, which is exactly what women find irresistible. And if she asks, "What do I need to do?" you can simply smile and say, "Maybe I'll tell you someday." This keeps the mystery alive, and trust me, she'll want to know more. These 6 phrases are more than just words. They're tools. Tools to help you build a deeper, more meaningful connection with women. They're designed to make you stand out, show confidence, and keep her intrigued. But remember, it's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it. Use these phrases naturally, with confidence and a playful tone, and watch the dynamic between you shift in your favor. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. For more videos like this on attraction, self-mastery, and personal growth, don't miss the next one. You won't want to miss out. And remember, your journey to becoming the best version of yourself starts now. See you in the next video.